Hi everyone and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the screen, we are gonna make a brand logo design using a wet paint effect. First of all, try to read the question. If you know the answer, put the answer in the comment section. If you do not know the answer, you should watch the video. Videos are fun. Okay. So on my right is the resource we're going to use to make this design. And without wasting much time, let us begin. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go to the text tool. Let's say H&T. It's just a random name, guys. I don't want to use the real name of the business. H&T. Let's give it an Algerian font. Algerian. Look at this font. Let's increase the size a bit. Give it a white outline. Let's increase the point of the outline. Okay, so where it says hairline, we're gonna go down and let's put it at 1 point. 1 point is good. Then go to our interactive fill tool. Let's put it this way. Let's give this a deep red color. Likewise, this other box, should I say the other node. Then on the center, we're going to double click to create another node. I'm going to give it a deep yellow color. Looks good. So go to our bitmaps, convert to bitmaps. Boom. Let's go to effects, distort, wet paint effect. Boom. It's crazy, right? Now, so we're going to use a point of like a wetness of 48 points. Click OK. Then we're going to bring this resource. Try and catch it if you can. Okay, didn't catch it. So go to our trace bitmaps, quick trace. And ungroup. We're going to take the stuff we don't need out. Then highlight this whole thing, give it a deep red color. And give it a white outline. So to give it a white outline, you right click. Okay, this looks good. Let's go to interactive filter. Boom, as usual, just the same process. So in the middle, we're gonna give it a deep yellow color. And on this, we're gonna give it a deep red color. Very easy. Let's put it on top of this. Let's increase it a bit. I need a bigger size of it. Needs to be big, you know. So we're gonna convert the, I will call it a crown with a funny shape, because it looks like a crown but with some funny shapes on it. But the funny shapes looks good. So go to our bitmaps, convert it to bitmaps. Then our effects, and again we're going to use the distort and the what? Wet paint effect. Sorry, the wet paint effect, because I didn't pronounce it well, but that's fine. Click OK. And let's take this up a bit. And with this, we're done with this design. Very fast and easy. Didn't waste much time. You can see it. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.